Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a 2022 Sylvan L3 DLZ bar Tri-Toon. This is a champagne color with the black accent. This is a Tri-Toon and is powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke. Got the wide ladder, stainless steel, extended rear deck. Got the 4 bar stools. Right now it's in the lounge position. Got the M-floor storage. It's got the teak flooring, changing room. This one has a tan interior. This boat has the lit cup holders, mood lights, and it's got the electric bimini top. It's a really nice feature. As you can see, now I have in the bar position and all the cup holders light up. It's got the dual rear entries, side entry and front entry. This one has the rear speaker with remote for the radio. Again, this is a 2022 Sylvan DLZ bar Tri-Toon